Hi, so today I'm going to walk through how to update a staff listing on Reynolda.org. So our staff directory is underneath About, Directory. Click on that. Scroll down and you can see all of our current staff members. And then if they say there was a change in the title, phone number, email address, photo, we want to update a photo. What you would do is you'd go into your dashboard. And then on the left side of your screen, you should see staff listings. So if you click on that, you'll then see all staff. And you can just click through to find the staff member you're looking to edit or update, or you can search. Once you find the staff member that you're looking to edit their information, you can just click edit. And then you can update their name, their position, the entity, phone number, their email address, their photo, and click update. And then those edits will be made live on Reynolda.org. Say you want to remove a staff member from the directory. It's really simple. Usually I just go quick edit, go from publish to draft and click like that and click update. And then their listing would be removed from the front end of the website.